With zipBoard, you can review websites, web apps, e-learning courses, images, videos, and PDF documents. You can share reviews using annotations, markups, and screen recordings, and you can track and report issues. When it's time to share your content to external consultants, you can click the Share button in the top right. Here you can see there are 3 different guest permissions. Require sign up and login, to view all boards and reviews, not just their own reviews but other people's feedback, and create your own feedback. For many guests, you may just want to turn the last one on so they can quickly add their feedback without seeing the rest. Here you have the URL to share to them, and you can also invite them by email. Companies that use zipBoard see an overall return on investment within 5 months. zipBoard customers also save an average of 30% time on their digital development. Choose zipBoard and sign up now.